Hey, how's it going, everyone? So, what am I working on now? Well, I got a 2019 Volvo XC60, and the customer came in, actually towed it in, and said they got a transmission warning light on the dash and it won't go. Okay. I got in it, I was able to move it, and then sure enough, all of a sudden it like pops into a neutral. Now, this is one of those automatically shifted manual transmissions. It has a clutch and everything else. People don't realize these are actually manual transmissions. They're just automatically controlled. So you just stick it in gear and go. So I was like, all right, let's start checking this thing out. And I want to show you I printed out, I went through the full diagnostic thing there, and I got all the codes and I printed them all out. And I want to show you this. Because sometimes what the problem is isn't what you think it is. And I've explained this before. All right, as you can see, we have a battery there. I think you may know where this is leading. So here we go. This is the car, 2019 Volvo. So here we have no codes. Here we have codes for this module. There's 4 codes in there. Engine control module has 22 codes in it. ABS has 4 codes in it. Yeah, 3 codes in it. Climate control has 3 codes in it. The power seat module has 8 codes in it. Power seat module passenger has 3 codes in it. Audio system has 7 codes in it. And then you can see just 10 codes in the vehicle dynamic domain master, whatever the world that means. But look at all these codes. These are all codes. But you notice something? Algorithm-based failure. Algorithm-based failure. Okay. Short to battery voltage. Let's see. No operation, no communication, no CAN bus, invalid serial data. General electric failure, 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 general electric failure. Sensor circuit. Let's see. General failure. Switch circuit. General failure. Speed sensors. Wheel speed sensors. All sorts of weird data codes. Guess what? It's a battery. It's a bad battery. It's a 2019, so the battery's 5 years old, so that's actually not that bad. It's kind of expected, but people sometimes think the worst when it actually is not. So I just figured, let me show you that. I started taking this apart and I was like, you know what, I should maybe make a quick video on this and just show you what's going on. Let me get this battery changed and then we're going to go for a road test. I'm not going to walk you through changing the battery. I mean, you see it right here and you can kind of see what's involved. Had to take the spare out. The spare is right there. And there's the new battery that's got to go in. It's an AGM. So let me get this thing changed over. Like I said, I'm not going to video changing this over, but all right. So let's get that going. Battery's installed. You can barely see it underneath there. So that's it. Let's go take this thing for a road test. I want to make sure everything's good. All right. And actually, I probably got to hook the scanner up. I believe on this one you have to tell it that the battery was replaced. I believe so. I'm not positive. So let me grab my scanner. I didn't leave it hooked up, did I? Oh, I did. Okay, it's still in there. All right. Yeah. Let me see if I can find that, because if I have to do that, I'll show you how to do that. Got a little sidetracked there, and I wound up doing it. Let me just show you what you have to do. So on the scanner here, you come in. There's a maintenance section here. You hit that. And battery maintenance or what, battery minder system, I don't know, whatever that stands for, BMS. Okay. So basically it's battery matching. Okay, battery matching system, maybe? I don't know. Full function product does not. So basically, certain vehicles you have to go directly into the vehicle I guess through the regular menu and not this. Where was it? Here, Volvo. Switch ignition on. Okay. Key position, blah, 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 blah. It just gives you basically instructions on how to do it. Automatically search. It's a 2019 Volvo XC60. All-wheel drive. And you come in here and reset power supply information when the battery is replaced. So you click that, and it gives you some more instructions, and you hit OK. Then you reset the battery supply information when the battery is replaced. If you hit more, it comes up with start calibration. So at that point, start calibration, the vehicle has to be off too. What happens is you hit start calibration and it basically resets it. I guess it reads whatever the voltage is at that period in time. So you got to make sure the battery's fully charged too. And then it just resets everything and then you're good. So I'm just going to hit back because I don't want to go and change it because I already changed it. Would you like to end? Yes. Okay. Back. All right, let me shut this down. Shut down. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. I counted up all those codes. This thing had 81 codes in it. 81 codes. It drives fine. It drives wonderfully. So I'm pretty confident it was probably just a battery, even though technically I couldn't verify it. All right, so that's pretty much it. One thing I find interesting is this on the cluster. It's low on fuel. Low fuel, go to mobile. Why mobile? I find it odd. Go to mobile. All right, I just thought that was weird. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.